Hi guys, it's Sarah from Altcoin Ladies, and the crypto market is going crazy. And I don't want to say crazy, but it's a bit more stable than it has been the last couple of weeks. We're not seeing any crazy gain losers. It's a bit more stable. And by stable, I mean we're gaining 3% or losing 3%, and no more 20% booms, 10% booms, none of that. It's all very stable, very calm, and I think it's a very good sign for crypto and our community, showing that actual investors are coming in. There's no pump and grab dumps in the market. So guys, if you're tuning in right now, please remember to like the button, to hit the like button, subscribe to Combust Ladies, follow me on Twitter, Altcoin Sarah, and remember to, if you've got any questions about any crypto or anything, say something, because that's what it'll be about today. It'll be a bit unusual, not something I've done before. I'll be talking more about altcoins because people are accusing me of being a Bitcoin maximalist on Twitter, actually. Just because I'm bullish on Bitcoin doesn't mean I should be Bitcoin Sarah. But there we go. This is the world. So Bitcoin, there we go. I'm talking about Bitcoin again, and has seen quite a sharp and a significant rise, I would say. And it's racing around the 12K region, and during the early hours of today when I was going to work, I saw it and I was like, oh my god. But basically what happened is the bulls actually took their feet off the pedal in the upcoming hours, and the leading cryptocurrency now has charted 4.6% in 24 hours, trading around 11.7 at the time of video. And just like Bitcoin, Ethereum also saw quite a sharp surge and surpassed the $300 barrier in the recent trading hours. But the thing is that it's gained 0.7%, and Ethereum is an amazing buy at those prices. And I am not trying to put it as a financial advice. However, because people ask me what I've been actually buying and what am I bullish on, and Bitcoin, Ethereum are the ones that I am all in for. And when I mean all in, the only portfolio that I check contains Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's how much I believe in those projects. And I know they've got their flaws, they've got their problems and their issues, but I am just really bullish on them. And let's go back to the total crypto market cap, which is up. My voice sounds really weird. It's at 332 billion. Bitcoin's market cap is at 208, and Bitcoin dominance is breaking the records with 62.9%. So what do you guys actually think that Bitcoin dominance means? I mean, it's quite obvious what it means, but what it actually means to you as an actual investor, an actual passionate, if you're passionate about Bitcoin, do you think that old season will ever come back, or is that it? Is 2017 altcoin market old season never gonna come back? So let me know your thoughts, and I'll keep talking, and then I'll see how it's all coming along with the news, because oops, my PC is breaking apart. Fantastic. I'm sorry. So there's been obviously some Tether drama. And Tether, basically what happened, they minted 100 million USDT, and Bitcoin started surging. I wouldn't say surging, but it had a momentum. Is it a coincidence? A lot of people is saying. And the market actually had them speculating that something suspicious has been going on within Bitfinex and Tether ecosystem, as Tether Treasury continuously prints Tether. So guys, let me know your thoughts about Tether and what you actually think has got an influence on it. Personally, I think that we should. I know I've made a video once about Tether being a scam, but Tether has been a controversial topic, in the crypto community ever since the allegation of price manipulation in connection with the 2017 Bitcoin surge. And now questions are beginning to spring up as to whether the stablecoin company is back at playing with Bitcoin. Personally, it's never been proven. It's all been suggestions that it might happen. Unless there is a proof, there is a saying, there's a proof, there's a something. There's a saying that basically says that. I mean, it's like with Greg Wright, he can say he's a Satoshi, but we all know he's actually a fake Toshi. Whoops. Almost spilled my tea. So we've also got some Libra news. We know Libra, the Facebook stablecoin. So actually, I've tweeted yesterday that Facebook was down, Instagram was down, WhatsApp was down, and Twitter DMs were going down. Bitcoin is never down, and it was inspired by a pump on Twitter, obviously. And I also made a joke that if Facebook is down, doesn't mean Libra will be down as well. This is obviously a joke, which people luckily understood. So I'm quite glad that people actually didn't think I meant it. But Facebook's David Marcus says that Libra crypto users won't have to trust us. Well, controversies quite continue to surround the social media, Facebook upcoming blockchain project, and Facebook VP David Marcus basically has claimed today that Libra is being built on a decentralized system and hence does not require trust. I mean, Facebook has proven many times to us that Facebook does not deserve to be trusted. They do ridiculous things with our data. They could never prevent it from happening. And they have actually never proved what actually happens to our data. I mean, I've made a joke as well that given the whole Facebook and how much they know about us, there will be no need for KYC with Libra because they already know what I like, what I review, what I message people about, what website I use. It's just all over the place. So I am not pro Libra, but personally, I think that it will open the doors for normies, for newbies to get into crypto and potentially going from Libra to Bitcoin. We never know if that's going to be the case. They could always go from one shitcoin to another shitcoin, but that might be a good start. So firstly, I was quite negative about it, but then I changed the opinion, and I think it's very important to actually think about it. First emotions are okay, but then you have to put some thought into it. Basically, I've got some more bullish news for Bitcoin actually. And what's happening is that retail investors are on the rise. And there was a report which basically has found that the number of Bitcoin retail investors was on the rise throughout last year, despite the bear market of 2018, which is a really bullish news. Bitcoin is not dead. Every day Bitcoin is proving to us that it's not going anywhere. You just can't get rid of Bitcoin. And again, it seems like I'm a Bitcoin maximalist, but I am not. But basically, Bitcoin, has grown more than 200% since the start of the year. Basically, yesterday, Donald Trump tweeted that S&P has been up 20% since the start of the year. So I just basically retweeted it, and I actually said, bitch, please, Bitcoin is up 200% of the year. And what's happening is that altcoins are now following with the price increase. And obviously, we've got Link that's absolutely been killing it. Chainlink, if you don't know what Link is. Binance Coin, it's been hitting the all-time highs. I would have to look at it. I was going to look on my phone because I'm that used to checking phone prices on my phone. But basically, there's a significant amount of Matic as well. It's been doing really well. Litecoin's regaining its power. I'm just looking on the market now. Sorry, my hair is touching my nose. It's really awkward. Shouldn't be doing that. There's lots of cryptos that are actually doing really well right now. And I am getting interested again into altcoins. I don't want to say how many altcoins I still have. Let's put it this way. When I started investing, it was like 2 years ago. I bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then I discovered altcoins. I know Ethereum is an altcoin technically, but in my opinion, Ethereum is not an altcoin. It doesn't seem right to call it an altcoin. I've invested into so many altcoins that I actually should probably check if they still exist. Owner company, a partner. He's in crypto.com, good engine. Can't see SafeX in here though. But I know they've been doing a lot of development, and I'm sure there's a lot of things coming into them for them because it's a decentralized marketplace, and I think they're going to do amazing. For those of you who don't know what SafeX actually is. So now let me just redo the coin market cap. So if you guys been actually following me for a while, you know that my coin market cap and my laptop do not work together. but I've managed to get it to work, so it's good. So we've got winners and losers of today. It's something I might do every day, might not. We'll see how it goes. But we've got the biggest winner is Offcode, and it's an ERC20 token, which is issued on the Ethereum blockchain. It's been experiencing quite an impressive upward movement over the last 24 hours. We've got Real Tech as well, up 168%, and then we've got Nectar, which is down 48%, sorry. It's basically a token issued to Nectar by exchange Ethfinex. And this is the biggest reserved cryptos today. And Nectar has lost almost 50% of its value in the last 24 hours and is now trading at not $6 with a market cap of just below 5 million. Basically, I hate those weird numbers. So much money in crypto, it's ridiculous. It always amazes me how much money is in crypto. I love it. So guys, let me know what have been your favorite comments. I guess this is quite a weird time to do a stream. There's not actually that many of you, but that's okay. That's okay. It happens. Sometimes I get loads of viewers, sometimes I don't. And I think it's a good sign as the channels start to pick up again. Obviously, the bulls are back, the good prices are back, buying opportunities are happening. Just remember, do not invest more than you can afford to lose. And if you guys got any suggestions on what you'd like me to do next, review next, please. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's almost 10 o'clock now in England, but I had to do the stream because there's so many positive news. I just wanted to get the mind out there. I unfortunately don't have as much time as I did to make full videos like I had before, but we'll see how it goes along in the future. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy the market and you're gonna have a good 4th of July, which I actually haven't wished you guys happy 4th of July to all my Americans viewers. It's a massive historical day and the history in the making. So I hope you guys are enjoying it out there with the family. And that might be the reason why there's not that many viewers, but it's okay. I'll survive. So I hope you guys have a good one, and I hope to catch you all soon. Let me know in the comments what you want me to review next, if there's any projects, any altcoins or anything, and I'll see what I can do. Have a good one, guys. Good night.